besarte lo que tú me das.
Yo! Move! 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 Hey, hi, I know I'm a trespasser. I shouldn't be here, but please, guys, I'm sorry for my intruding. Okay, let me explain. I know I'm not supposed to be here at this time, but I'm just a Jamaican reactor. I was traveling from Jamaica, from across Jamaica to the entire world, just to check out new music, right? So I've heard about this female, right? She's called Yailin La Mas Viral. Hopefully, I'm in the correct country where she's from. I think she's from Dominica, right? Santo Domingo, right? Hopefully, I'm here in the correct place because I've heard a lot about her. I've heard that she's a very good singer. So that is the reason why I'm trespassing in Dominica right now, right? So this female, right, she's known professionally as Yailin Las Viral. Guys, if you guys are here for the first time, I'm not sure about her. It's my first time even giving my 2 cents about her, right? And I'm not sure if she's known in Jamaica as well. I'm not sure if any one of my Jamaican fellow mates known about her. I'm not really sure if her music do play in Jamaica. I'm not sure, but in fact, if she's not the first time, well, if this female is not known in Jamaica, well, I'll be the first to know about her. Right? She's a Dominican rapper. Damn. It's my first time, and I'm not sure about any form of Dominican music. In fact, this is my first time even reacting to a Dominican music, especially for a rapper. Right? And I think she was born July the 4th, 2002. Right? I mean, like, I'm 2 years older than her right now, so she's younger. Well, in fact, I have a question I want to ask you all. Do any one of you all know Bob Marley or Usain Bolt? Please let me know in the comments, and we could have an elaboration on that. Okay, guys, so the song that I'll be reacting to for her is called Me Encantas Live Performance. It's my first time hearing, checking, seeing of this female. I just want to learn more about music and to enhance from Jamaica to across the world. So please give me a chance so I could check her out at this point. So guys, without further ado, let's dive in.
Vida fue el destino, no la soledad. Eres todo.
Look up! Hey! Okay. Her voice is fucking beautiful. She looks so fucking amazing. She's oh my god, guys. Okay, the first time I'm seeing her, it's like it's my best nightmare. Yo, she's sexy as bro. Damn. She's also a female Dominican rapper. Bro, this is dope.
Lo que pedí hasta me dieron más. Ya no puedo dejar de pensarte. Ahora te veo en todas partes.
Wow. Guys, to be honest, I'm not understanding what she's saying, but I do feel the music. In fact, I'm not here for the language or whatever. I'm just here for the instrumental, the beat. I'm just here for the entire genre, the culture, the music, the heritage. I'm here for all of that, right? But what I'm hearing thus far, oh my gosh, she's a very amazing singer, bro.
1000 canciones yo voy a dedicarte, pa' que vea que estoy dispuesta a amarte. Lo que tengo contigo no encuentro en nadie y quiero decirte.
Whoa, Wow, Dominican music is freaking powerful.
Decirte que me encantas, te juro que me encanta. Que tu mirada es lo primero que yo veo cada mañana. Que cuando me sonríes siento que no me hace falta nada.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Boo! 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 I love this music. I love Dominican music. To be honest, it's not my first time hearing of any form of Dominican music, but the instrumental in Dominica is amazing, bro. I mean, like the suits that they are wearing, the hats, the entire clothing. It's amazing, bro. I mean, like, wow, this female is freaking amazing. I mean, like, her music is really enchanting.
Y sabes bien que yo no soy de amar, pero contigo fue tan natural. Sé que la vida no me va a alcanzar.
Can someone please, just please, take me to Dominica? Well, I'm there right now. Please, can somebody send my invitation request to Dominica? I would love to stay here for a day or two, maybe a week, probably a year, just to witness the music, the culture, the dance. Bro, everything is just a full package. Boo, boo, boo. I'm from Jamaica and I'm loving it. I'm loving it so much.
Pa' regresarte lo que tú me das. Somos un dream team, tú pa' mí, yo pa' ti. Que lo diría, andamos en otro pic.
Yo, I love it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Beautiful music. Beautiful music. Beautiful music. This is fabulous. It's really fabulous. I mean, like, it's my first time reacting to a Dominican music, and I'm feeling literally alive and well. It's giving me a good vibe. Boo, 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 boo. Bro, guys, I'm from Jamaica, so you're gonna hear some things that is literally from Jamaica.
Sabes, no me junto con cualquiera. Qué suerte tengo que me quisiera. Que somos uno para el otro. En menos nada tú te volviste mi todo.
Damn. 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 Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. I mean, like, this is really something exquisite. Because this is not just only music, it's a full package, it's a great vibe. Right? Boo! Beautiful music.
Tú eres la respuesta de por qué no funciona con los otros. Te juro que me encanta.
Well, the instrumental is amazing. The move that she's using right now, the dance, the rock to side and move your hip like that, bro. That is freaking dope, bro. Give me more. Give me more.
Tu mirada es lo primero que yo veo cada mañana. Que cuando me sonríes siento que no me hace falta nada.
Yo, she's beautiful. She is beautiful. Wow. Oh! Yo, yo. I mean, like, damn, she's good. Guys, I think I'm having a crush right now. Musically, I'm having a crush. Wow. What I love about her is that, bro, she's fucking sexy, bro. I mean, like, what a beautiful sight. Damn, she's beautiful. Wow, the music that she's singing about right now is fucking amazing.
Y sabes bien que yo no soy de amar, pero contigo fue tan natural.
Yo, but, book 'em. Yo, if I was there, I would be bursting a lot of blanks, bro. All night, because this is what music is supposed to be sounded like. Just calm, enjoying, relaxing, consuming, because her music is captivating.
Sé que la vida no me va a alcanzar. tú me das.
Yo! Move! 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 Yeah, bro! Dog! Yo! Bro! Bro! Look at this woman's hips, bro. Oh, fuck. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Whoa. She's beautiful. She's sexy. She's doing a sexy dance, bro. This is a freaking amazing package, bro. She's a full package. Mm, mm, mm. What superb voice.
Contigo quiero una vida, no quiero una historia. De esa que solo quedan en la memoria. Tanto tiempo me costó encontrarte. Aunque me muera, yo no pienso dejarte.
Yo, one thing I love about her voice. One thing I love about her voice is that it's so capturing, bro. It's so capturing. Oh my. Oh my God, bro. Damn, she's good.
Te juro que me encanta. Que tu mirada es lo primero que yo veo cada mañana.
Wow. To be honest, if I go any further into this reaction, I think I'll be hitting, bro. I'll be hitting. Damn. Oh my God, bro.
Que cuando me sonríes siento que no me hace falta nada. Y sabes bien que yo no soy de amar.
Damn. Can someone please let me stay here in Dominica? This music is fucking amazing. Hey, these dances are way too awesome. And to see someone which is a female who is dancing this good, it's amazing. It's freaking cool. I gotta say I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Todo contigo fue tan natural. Sé que la vida no me va a alcanzar.
Wow. Wow. Oh. Oh. Boo. 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 Bro. This is amazing. This is freaking amazing. This is entirely beautiful. Hey, Jamaican music is really amazing, especially for this female. She's making it even more heated and more catching and more watchable. Damn.
Pa' regresarte lo que tú me das.
Yo, that moon shaking. Oh my God, that is so sexy. Oh my God. Oh my God, bro. Damn. Damn, bro. Who is her? Who is this female, bro? Damn. Damn. The dance is even more sexy on her, bro. Yo, I gotta say, the music here is fabulous. All the instrument that he's been playing here is fabulous. To be honest, I can only identify the guitar. Well, I'm not really sure about any form of music here. Just only the guitar and probably the trumpet. What else? The saxophone. Well, the music here and the combination is perfect. It's freaking perfect. Guys, thank you so much for accepting me in Dominica. She's amazing. I would love to come back and watch her dance, sing, and perform. Guys, if you guys didn't get this reaction, please don't forget to leave a like on the video, smash a subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.